Using your vibration plate on a regular basis is an amazing tool for your all-over fitness and health. And today's morning routine is going to help jumpstart your body, beat bloat, beat fatigue, and give you the energy that you need to feel great no matter what your day holds. Let's get started. Okay, so we always want to start by opening up our terminus and our different lymphatic drainage points so that our vibration plate actually does more for our body than just, well, vibrate us. And we always want to make sure we open up these drainage points before we get on the vibration plate, not during. That's like trying to fill the garbage disposal full of garbage and like not have it cleaned out prior. And so we want to open up the dumpster before we dump stuff in. All right, let's start out by our collarbone or our clavicle. We're going to take our first two fingers and we're just going to rub above and below that collarbone about 10 times. And then let's take our fingers and we're just going to pump, kind of shrug your shoulders, pump above the clavicle and then pump below it as well. And then right into the armpit, fingers go into the pit, thumb on the front, and that thumb is going to make some circles on the front of your outer pec as your fingers pump into the armpit itself. And we're going to do that about 10 times. All the while, nice, deep breathing. And then once you've done that, we're going to go right into that little indent right below that lower jaw, and we're just going to draw some small circles. Remember, you don't have to push hard. And once you've done that, we're going to go in front and behind the ears, small circles with your first two fingers, just like maybe 3 times up and down. This is great, especially in the morning if you get facial swelling. We want to make sure that the face is draining. And then take your hands and we're just going to swipe down the neck as well. Definitely doesn't hurt. Base of the skull. So my fingertips are going to go right up against the base of the skull and I'm going to massage in on that upper cervical spine as I massage up against the bottom of the skull. Nice deep breath in, nice deep breath out. And then today, let's also come right up onto our traps and kind of hook your fingers and relax the shoulder and arm and just try to massage the traps. If you get a lot of puffy, kind of fatty tissue here, possibly a sign of high cortisol. So let's just kind of get that fluid moving. Opposite side. And then at the diaphragm above the navel, we're going to pump up. And so just kind of kneading up all the way up to the rib cage and then repeat that process 3 or 4 times. This is not the time to try to make rock hard abs. Try to soften the belly and nice deep breathing. And then the groin, we want to open the groin so that the lymph and fluid from the legs has somewhere to drain into. And so kind of push the booty back, fingertips again, just like the armpit. And we're going to pump into the groin. And then all the way up inside the hip bones. And let's just do that 3 times. And then behind the knee, we're going to strike up from behind the knee and then right up onto that hamstring. We have a meridian point here that helps with the kidneys. And then we also have our lymphatic drainage point behind the knee as well. So kind of a two for one here. And then let's get the elbows, roll the wrists, roll the ankles, roll the shoulders. We're ready to get started. All right, let's step onto that vibration plate, set it for 10 minutes. You know me, I like efficiency. And so 10 minutes, start the vibration plate. We're stepping wide, and let's start out with the shoulder shrugs. We're going to come up, drop it down. Bring them up, drop it down. Nice bent knees, and really exaggerate that drop on the shoulders. You can sync the breath. Inhale, shrug. Exhale, drop. This is a great time to practice deep diaphragmatic breathing, which is going to be the conduit for that lymph Let's add the calves in. So up, shrug, down, drop. Up, shrug, down, drop. Ten counts. Notice how I'm kind of dropping into a bent knee position, not dropping into straight legs. If you don't like the bent knee lift and lower, just do the shoulders. All right, next one is single arm sweep. We're going to do a squat with it. So I'm going to sweep to one side, and then I'm going to sweep to the other side. You want to make a full circle, make a full circle. If you only want to do a half and drop down, maybe you have something funky going on in your shoulder, I want you to honor your body, but I want you to get that nice sweeping action. You'll notice how I'm turning my torso when I do that, okay? Nice little spinal rotation happening here. And I'm just letting it be rhythmic. About 10 counts. At the top, I'm just pausing a little bit. 2 and 1. All right, next one is a squat with a torso twist. So genie style arms, and we're going to squat into our hips and heels, bent knees, and I'm just going to turn side to side. Just keep breathing. Definitely a little bit quicker movement than the one we just did, but definitely not a race. If you want to look down, look down. You want to turn your head with, you can turn your head with. Doing great. Should have maybe wore a hair tie today, but we're going to make it work. 10 counts. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Okay, so now next we're going to do a squat with a single arm sweep forward. So it's going to be squat up and squat up. Try to get nice and low. So I'm exhaling and then inhaling at the top. You don't like that, you can reverse the movement in with your breath. It's fine. 20 counts. The goal on our vibration plate is not just to jiggle our body, move lymph, check a box. We're really also trying to enhance mobility, because when lymph is stuck, that means our fascia is stiff and tight. So our body isn't as mobile as we want it to be. So one of the goals of getting on your vibration plate should be mobility. All right, nice job. Okay, now we're going to do double arm swing. So it's going to be forward and up, forward and up. My arms are just kind of dropping down like they're melting. Really squat back into your hips and heels. Yes, this is a squat. Squatting is one of those essential movements that we need to do to age healthy. And my friend, I know you're probably not doing enough of them during the day. And people say to me, well, my body doesn't do that. Well, your body used to do it. It's just we are an adaptation to our environment over time. And when you stop squatting, your body stops squatting. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, great job. Next is going to be a knee lift. This is going to be a progressive movement. So we're going to do a knee lift with a slap. Just kind of waking up that lymph. Some people don't like that slap feeling. If you want to make a fist and just bring that fist against the knee, that might work better for sound reasons here. If you feel uneasy about stepping and lifting a knee without support, just lift the knee. If you want to do one hand and then switch and do a few the other way. The great thing about life is that there are options. 10 counts. The next one is going to be a standing crisscross. So stay with this movement if you need to. And last one. Okay, so now hands behind the head. We're going to lift, crunch, down. Lift, crunch, down. So definitely some control. I was thinking in my mind that I want my mind or my thoughts to track with the movement. That means I'm thinking about lifting my leg. I'm thinking about my knee coming to my elbow. I'm thinking about my foot going down. My mind is not somewhere else. I think there's a saying like, there is no such thing as multitasking, even though women were always trying to do multiple things. So just stay in the movement here. Just a little over 10 counts. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Okay. Next one, we're going to come into a squat and we're going to side reach, push our hips to the side, back to center. Side reach, push our hips to the side. So if I'm reaching to what would be your right here, my hips are going to the left. I love this movement because most of what we do during the day, we're moving in a forward plane. And we want to increase that lateral movement, which is going to make a huge difference in our hips and in our shoulders and how we feel. So stiffness, pain, restriction. Notice I'm staying in a squat. 20 counts. Really exaggerate that hip push. I think I need some foam rolling. I can feel my IT bands, which is down the side of the leg, a little restrictive today. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Okay, back to standing. All right, so now arms are going to open up to T. Squeeze the shoulder blades, lift the chest. Exhale, squat, bend the knees, tuck the tailbone. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, tuck the tailbone. Drop the head. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Really try to reach through the fingertips when your arms come forward. Spread that upper back out. Three, 2, 1. Awesome job. All right, last move here. We're going to come hands on the thighs and kind of into a catcher's stretch here. Brace against your legs. Let that vibration come all the way up into your shoulders and just practice deep breathing into the belly. So no restriction on the abdomen here. Sit back into your hips and heels. If you prefer to be on a chair, absolutely sit on a chair, but I want you leaning and putting your hands on your thighs so we get that full vibration all the way up the torso. 20 counts. So when using your vibration plate, if you've been using it regularly, drop in the comments. Let me know, what are you noticing in your body? Inspire other men and women to get on that vibration plate as a regular routine. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's come to standing. Oh, I felt that one today. My legs are buzzing. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, arms come down. And let's just turn to the right, turn to the left. Roll the shoulders up to the ears, down and back. Great work today. I hope that you enjoyed this morning routine on your vibration plate to keep your body happy, healthy, and lymph moving fluidly. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video like this. Remember, Your body is your temple. Treat it with respect, and one way to do that is get on your vibration plate. Until next time.